Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Yoga Tab 3 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my device. Once that is the case, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have a flash, the sound and this pop-up, and after a moment it will disappear. Once it disappears, you can find your screenshots in your Photos application. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, there we go. And you can see it right here. It is labeled as a screenshot, so later on you can tap on this label and this will take you to an album which consists of only screenshots that I have captured over the time. And obviously here's the one that I have captured. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.